Guys, welcome back to Kids C. Today we are going to review this Furby Boom toy. It has an app, but I have an iPad for myself, and we're going to use it. It has a scanner, so let's do it. This is hard. There. So here it is. Looks real cute. So actually, yeah, we have some stickers, but we don't actually need it. So it has a guide which tells you how many Furby Boom eggs that it has. Okay, so let's do it. So let's see the book. This thing. Oh, whoops. Whoopsie. So here is. It looks a lot of them, right? So yay! So yay! Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. What it looks. So here's a thing which I actually know. Ooh, these are little stickers. These are little stickers, but I don't know which actually what they're for, but find it out. And here's the room. And we're gonna need actually the box. Don't do it. No, don't do it. You'll need the box, cause look, it looks like a room for your Furby Boom. So we'll do it. So here's the thing, what we're going to use, but we need to take this thing off, which I actually, let's take off this tape over here. Okay, I got it, so, okay, now let's not use the box right now. So here's the Furby Boom. It looks real cute. It comes with different colors, but we buy this one because I like it. The pattern is orange, blue or purple. I don't know which that is, and pink. So this is really hard to take this off. I'm gonna ask Mommy to do this. So be right back. Be right back.
Tell your fans that you're gonna need a screwdriver to do it.
You guys, we need a screwdriver. So wait for us, okay? Okay? Yes. Or maybe the camera is recording too much. So okay, let's just do it. Yeah.
Do this.